Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this 18 volt brush, this DCN660 Finish Nailer. I put a full battery in it, as you might be able to see, and I'm going to show you what it's doing. So here goes. Nothing. It's not even ramping up. So I'm going to open, see what's going on inside. As you can see here, the pin's broken off. The pin should come out to about here. This thing with a number 2 on it. So that's broken. The springs sort of look alright at first glance, but we'll see how we get on. Move the driver, it involves taking out these 2 screws as well. There's the new pin there. You can see the difference. There's a fair bit broken off that. When we're in this fire, I'm going to clean that wheel with contact cleaner, that little drive wheel that fires the driver forward. To do now is feed this driver unit onto these 2 long bars and springs there, you see. You have to feed it on, and this channel here, the bottom, runs in that pulley wheel there. That's what fires it forward. That's running nicely in that channel now, as you can see, and we just got to put things back together. Ready with a full battery in her again, and we'll give her another whirl. That's looking pretty good. So if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.